The last of the Star Wars helmets for me, the Stormtrooper, set 75 276, another 18 plus set. Again, mainly just because they're display pieces. 647 pieces. I have heard that the stickers here, I got to be a little bit careful about when I'm applying them. But that'll be the last one. Let's see how it comes together. See how the all white compares to the all black. And then I'll do a review of all three of them next to each other. 5 different bags, just like the other two. You got a little sticker sheet right here, so not too many stickers, but on to bag 1. Bag 1 all wrapped up. Just again, a lot of studs on the outside. Nothing like the Boba Fett helmet where it had that bar going across. So probably just going to be sticking things right on the side of this base on a bag 2. Bag 2 all wrapped up. What will be the back side of the helmet, and then the base that it stands on, or stand. Same stand as all the other two. The only difference on this one is there's a little bit more to the bottom, so there was a little bit more added after I put the stand on, so I have to have the stand on to complete the build, but that'll be all right. On to bag 3. Wanted to highlight how one of these go in here. So we have a clip right into there. There you go. And then showcasing the same thing. Oop, dropped it. We'll be going into this clip right here. There we go. And attached. Alright. Also want to demonstrate how this is going to get attached. So this clips right here. Back side of the mask. Just doesn't clip right in, but it gets in there. There we go. Also, these are stickers. And I would recommend putting them on after you have the face assembled. Makes them lined up a lot better so you don't see those white gaps from the white brick. Lined them up as best as I could. Bag 3 all wrapped up. I showed you guys how those eyes and mouth came together. But just the front of the helmet coming together on to bag 4. Bag 4 all wrapped up. What is going to be the left side of the helmet? There is a lot of 1x1s in there. It actually was a lot harder to put together than I thought it was going to be. Just because you get to pay attention throughout every step and really pay attention. I luckily only made one mistake, but it does look really good on the side. On to bag 5. I wanted to show how these are going to connect. There's these little ball and socket joints right here. Snap into place to form that look of the Stormtrooper. Bag 5 all wrapped up, and I'm going to just do the final review instead of just doing a bag wrap up and a final review in 2 different videos. But the last part of this bag was just getting the right side of the helmet done, and then adding the front little mounts here, and just some little front detail going on right here. I actually think I might like this a little bit more like the TIE Pilot, just because the white actually shows some of that detail, so you can actually really see that, you know, shape of the helmet a lot more than you can on the TIE Pilot. Even though all black is pretty dope, I think the white does show the detail quite a bit more. You guys heard a lot of what I had to say, you know, when it came to the building process, bag 1 through 5. There's not a whole lot to cover when it comes to the build. Just, again, it's going to look great on the shelf. I'm really excited to get it next to my other, you know, sets. Not gonna lie, I'm not sure which one I'm gonna put it next to, but I think it'll look really good. I don't know if I want to do all 3 together, all 3 separate, but tell me which one you guys like the most. Stormtrooper is all wrapped up. I think it looks great. That bottom little part of the Stormtrooper, really crazy detail on how they got that to look so flush and almost look rounded, right? The only part that's kind of tough for them, and I can't blame them, would be like right here, like that little corner. But the helmet itself is shaped really, really well. This mouth piece, great. Eyeballs, great. So, looks fantastic.